So today we're working on getting this dump truck street legal and adding on a couple of other little features that I've wished it had. And well, the first thing we're going to do is what they say is impossible: fixing electrical issues with a hammer. Ah, I fail at everything! Oh, that one didn't pop out. Maybe you can... Sweet. Okay. Defective lights are going away. New ones are coming in. Guess they're not defective, just not working. Probably worked at one point. And now, drop our tools on the floor, get as much dust out of there as possible, and in it goes. Look at that. So one thing I figured this truck really needed but didn't have was a proper tachometer, so I bought this one. Yeah, it works. I'm not gonna let it idle yet, it's too cold. Use the trash bag to tape off most of this, and if I'm careful, we'll be able to reuse the trash bag. Yes, I really am this cheap. Oh, water! No! It's alright, the paint's dry. It's not gonna hurt anything. You know, now that we've basically rebuilt the entire dump truck just about, maybe one of these days we'll actually wash the mirrors on it.